after driving around the town, seeing what the windstorm had wrought, we found out that the house of people we knew had suffered some damage, and, well, they'd boarded our camper and they were up the North Fork. We felt we should go and find out what had happened to them and let them know that their house had suffered some damage. So, off we went.
Where are you off to today?
Well, 28 miles.
28 miles?
Yeah.
All right. Take care.
Quite a blow, right?
So what you're about to see is driving up the North Fork right after the storm, with downed trees and power lines. Now, it took us almost 15 minutes to get to the bridge up by Brown Creek where you can go down to Granby. But hey, you don't want to stick around for that. So what I've done is, in between the devastated parts, I've sped it up to about 4 times normal speed. So it only takes about 7 minutes. Sit back and watch for the downed wires. This is almost all on the left, on the side of the road. Where you see trees down, especially where they're right across the road, usually there's wires down as well. One thing I should note though, this camera that you're looking through was mounted on top outside, so it doesn't have its own windshield wiper. You'll have to just bear with the drops of rain that are sitting on the lens.